So over here, you can see that I got an audio wave file imported inside of Audacity. So if you want to import its label, then you can easily do so by going into File, and then you can go around into Import, and over here you can see Labels is an option. Once you click on Labels, then you can navigate around to the folder where you have your labels in text format. So you can select out the label you want to import and then click on Open, and what happens is that the label gets imported right here, as you can see. You can also go around into File, Import out multiple labels. So you can go around right here. This is the file with multiple label, open it out, and you can see that now you see multiple labels right here. So this is one label right here, another label right here, as you can see right here. So both of the labels gets combined and imported out just like this. So you can go around into File and import out labels again. And once you import it out, it just gets imported out as a separate file right here. So that is how you can import out labels inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.